everyone, it's Jenna Janine, aka Khaleesi Curls. I am literally at the end of my day and I just wanted to make a super quick video about my current faves because I actually got on my Instagram, which I'll post a link here for that, in regards to what my current faves are. What do I use in my hair right now for my wash and goes and stuff like that. And I don't know why I'm talking with my hands so much. Anyway, so let's make this quick so that I could just go ahead and address it. Y'all are gonna think I'm mildly ADD when you see this collection of hair product, and forgive my hair right now. It's not in anything cute by any means. My hair was out today. It was big, it was poofy, and I came home and took it down. And before I finished everything off and put my little wrap on it, I decided, oh, let me do a real quick video because it's been a couple weeks since I posted my other video. So let's begin. Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you could get more awesome videos from me. The more you like, the more I post. So my first one, and this is actually almost empty. This is the Shea Moisture Mongongo and hemp seed oils high porosity moisture correct mask with baobab protein and apple cider vinegar. So it smells great, and as you can see, I'm just about done with it. I need to get more. Oh, it smells so good. This basically is one of my favorite hair masks. This is for damaged, color treated hair and all hair types. It doesn't matter. But as always, Shea Moisture, really good when it comes to things like having no sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oil, animal testing, things like that. Another thing to stay on the Shea Moisture train, I love extra virgin coconut oil in my hair. And so I got excited when Shea Moisture, sorry, all the glare from everything is showing up in this, but Shea Moisture has 100% extra virgin coconut oil. And I've had this for a while. It's a pretty big container, but I'm gonna need more of that too. All my stuff, I'm starting to notice I'm gonna need more stuff. But the last thing that I have in the Shea Moisture train is an old favorite of mine. I use this pretty much all the time. Maybe not if I'm doing like a review for other products, but I do use it when I just need to throw something in my hair really quickly. But this is the Curl and Style Milk with the coconut and the hibiscus by Shea Moisture. I usually put this in with my wash and goes when I'm really not in the mood or I just don't have the time to really do my hair and rake through everything. A recent fave is the Texture ID line. If you've seen that video already, it's the only other video I have on this channel, but that Texture ID has changed everything. It's like $8.99 for everything in their line, so it's super cheap. But my favorite right now, because it has honey in it and it smells so good, I'm almost done with this too. Swear to goodness. So this long tube right here, I think I have that much left. So I'm gonna need more of that. But this is the Texture ID conditioner. To stay on that train, my favorite right now, because I have a hard time finding things that work with me as far as a leave-in. I was making my own leave-in for a while where I would just mix different conditioners together with some water in a spray bottle, and that would be my leave-in. And I have to say I really enjoyed this one because this one, all of Texture ID's products cater to all curl patterns, and I believe that's straight somewhere here. So I like this one. Aloe vera extract and coconut oil for this leave-in conditioner, intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner by Texture ID. Another favorite, which I haven't used it as much as I use my Shea Moisture deep treatment mask, is the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. It smells really good with sweet almond oil and wheat protein and honey. This one is said to restore strength and hydrate your hair. This is a mask. I've been using it since I bought the entire Texture ID line. I mean, there's nothing bad, there's nothing good to say. It's a standard deep treatment mask. It did leave my hair feeling super soft, and so I love that. But I mean, there's nothing out of the extraordinary to say about this product. Shea Moisture, I get the same effect with. Now, one thing from the Texture ID line that I absolutely love is this one. This is the Texture ID Styling Cream with cocoa butter and shea butter. This is meant to provide medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. And this is what it looks like. Sorry for the glare, y'all. This, I don't even think I have, look, that's the bottom of the container. You can see into the container. There's nothing left in here. I'm so mad. I just realized that. What am I supposed to do with my wash and go tomorrow? Okay, well, this, you literally don't have to use anything else with this. I don't remember even putting any gel, I used maybe a little bit of edge control, and that's it. But this right here is amazing. I didn't use anything when I used this product except for the things that I used, obviously, to wash my hair, to put conditioner in my hair, and then I used this to style my hair with the leave-in conditioner, and that was it. So this, amazing. Now, oh, geez. Ugh. I literally pulled this out of the shower just now, but this is my co-wash cleansing conditioner Dream Care 3-in-1 formula for truly natural hair by Pantene Pro V. I used this for about 7 years now. I've been using this. I've been using this since I was transitioning the first time, and here I am again. Now, when I first started using it, my hair was relaxed, and I didn't realize that it was gonna work better for natural hair, but it doesn't strip your hair, and it instantly moisturizes it. It really, truly does. I love this. If you're already using it, that's great. Keep using it. If you're not, this is amazing. It doesn't sud up, so if you're looking for something that suds, this isn't it. It truly is just a cleanser. That's an all-time fave, and it's decently priced. I came across this because I was super, super broke one day and did not feel like going to Sally's or Ulta or Amazon or wherever and spending $50 to $100 on hair products from my hair. So what I did was got the Aussie Conditioning line. These two are amazing. Now, be very, very careful because I do believe that this has some kind of silicone in it. I did it on the fly because, I mean, I didn't have any money and I needed a conditioner. This is the 3-minute Miracle Moist, 3 times the moisture in 3 minutes plus dehydration. Or is that dehydration? I don't know. Can y'all tell? Whatever. Okay, anyway, this has a really cool feature. It's already open. You just twist this cap off and you remove the seal, and this, you just squirt it into your hand in the shower and it just stays like this. When I wash my hair, like fully wash my hair with soap, and I don't wash my hair often at all, I might do it maybe once every 2 to 3 weeks. I co-wash more than anything, but this, after I do that, I deep condition in the shower with this because I know I'm gonna pretty much rinse most of it out because I don't like that weird silicone feeling here lately. And then I'll add in afterwards a conditioner that I'm probably like this, that I'm gonna leave more of it in to just keep the moisture in my hair. I'm probably only going to rinse out maybe 20% of it and still leave about 70 to 80% of the conditioner in my hair. But anyway, that's it for now. Those are my current favorites. It's a little ADD and kind of everywhere, but that's what my hair is like. So no apologies here for using a ton of different products in my hair. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you can see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.